Hey, Cody, what you doing? You're eating?
Yeah, is that you? Get out! I told them to leave. I warned them. But you still have a chance. Leave this house. Leave now, or I'll kill you. Didn't he take this little girl out to be rescued? No?
Yeah. Then some old lady jumped out, grabbed her.
He ran behind the wall. I wonder if the little old lady is the little girl.
That was missing from years and years ago?
Yeah.
I bet.
Oh, what are you doing?
You didn't see her?
See who? I got my men doing a canvass of the neighborhood, grid search of the yard, but so far no evidence of any elderly female intruder.
Do you not believe me?
All I'm saying is people come to town and get caught up in the folklore.
Do we look like we're here buying postcards?
Sure, but we got a lot of work to do. If you and your men would just secure the perimeter, that'd be greatly appreciated. Thank you. Lindsay, forget about this guy. Hey, you saw the old woman who grabbed you. She went down that secret corridor.
Right, like she already knew where it was. Danny, she said that she warned the Duncans to stay out of the house, that something was going to happen. She knows something. We should find her.
All right, well, she couldn't have gotten too far on foot. We'll find her soon enough.
Hey, you know what? She scratched my arm. She left her DNA behind. We might not have to wait that long.
It's gonna be the little girl.
Look, there's tombstones!
Oh my goodness.
Hi, cuties. What are you doing? Halle's a silly Halloween kitty. Halloween kitty.